Hi, it's Sarah from Amaterasu Beauty. In this video, I'll be showing you application with a liquid eyeliner in Espresso. And the reason I chose Espresso is because this is actually a color I use on a daily basis. In fact, a lot of our makeup artists out there who specialize in weddings, they use the Espresso Liquid Liner. And the reason for it, well, you'll see. It's super easy to use, first of all. It's very natural. If you're going for a look that is quick, it's right there. I'm just going to take it in just a bit more. And literally, it is also a bit of a foolproof shade because unlike black, which sometimes you can see if you make mistakes, Espresso, you can get away with it without really noticing. I'm going to do the other side as well. Now, the microfiber brush is so easy to use. You don't really have to press so hard. You just glide on, and there it is. Okay. Now, the other thing that I do with my eyeliner, if I have a couple more seconds, is just sort of go tight lining up here. And what that does, it actually fills in any gaps that you may have. And this happens if you are not used to wearing your eyeliner very, very close to your lash line, or if you have sparse lashes, this will help sort of close it up a bit. And then let's go here. There you go. And then one other thing that I like to do, just a little bit. And I don't go all the way, I just go a bit like a quarter ways in. You see how it just adds a bit of definition. And that's it.